night. You know guys, I'm funny. I'm not boring people, okay? Almost my friends in Saudi Almadi, they loves me because I'm funny people. I'm funny, I'm very fine. I'm very, what is this? Funny people, positive life, okay? I'm not negative. I don't want to think negative kasi hindi po maganda nag-ano ka ng negative, okay? Assalamualaikum. Okay, bye. We love you guys. Kasi pupunta na ako sa there's so Saudi Arabia. So yeah, Saudi Arabia, very nice place. So why? Saudi Arabia is near from Medina, Munawwara, Medina, Mecca. Every time I go to Mecca with my husband, very nice wallah. Make umrah sa widwa like this. Alhamdulillah. I like you so much. Thank you, Bilawal. Too much people they like me, especially in Arab people in TikTok. Too much loves me. And I cannot reply to anyone kasi po hawak ni Mr. Dean ang TikTok ko. Hindi ko po mag-reply sa anyone kasi I'm married. I respect my husband. I obey my husband because I love my husband. That's a very important. To respect your husband and be a good wife, okay? Kaya nga nagtagal kami kay Mr. kasi po almost 11 years with my husband Saudi. Okay, I respect him, he respect me. Just po vice versa. If you respect your husband, he respect you also. They treat me like a queen, okay? And I treat him like a king. I always said if he make advice with me, I said yes. Taib, that's Taib. Okay, Taib. Aywa. I always like that my husband, but alhamdulillah, he's very kind, mashallah. He's very kind and very strict, mashallah. We love you guys. But I'm so lucky for my husband, so much. I'm so lucky kasi napakabait po ang asawa. Wala akong masabi. Napakabait po. Huwag mo lang yung ayaw nila. Okay ka? Kasi kapag Arab people po ay kailangan sundin mo ang gusto nila. Hindi lahat po. Kaso lang po, nasusunod pa rin ang mga lalaki. Okay? Thank you so much. Mahilig po ako dito ganon. Kasi sa po yung tawag doon, yung kantang Saudi. Ganon po ako sumasayaw doon sa TikTok ko. Kaya napamahal sa akin ang mga Arab people. Okay, thank you so much. Ngayon po, nagsahod na malapit, nag na yung sahod. Nakita ko na ang isa sa orin ko sa dito, mashallah. Medyo bumataas, alhamdulillah. I'm so happy, small content creator po ako dito. Magpapasalamat din ako sa kunting bagay na blessing sa akin ni Mate, sa Allah po. But especially po sa TikTok po. Sa TikTok po, doon po ako kumukuha na medyo po malaki sa TikTok, okay? Kasi doon po ako kilala sa TikTok. We love you guys! Love you! Mas salama!